Hey everybody, and today I will be showing you how to make a Princess Labelmaker. Now I've already done a Princess Labelmaker video, but that's for a different version. This version is a slightly trickier version, but it gives you a very good looking princess that works as a fantastic finger puppet. Okay. If you're ready to go out and be determined, this is the way to do it. Now, I just made up this version now, and I've had experience doing it with a whole sheet of paper. Now, ready? Take the top and fold it down to about there. Should be good. I hope that's not too much. Let me see. That should be good. Now, take these corners. Fold them in like this. Same thing with the other one. Give it a good crease. Open them up and push the corners inside like this. This should be familiar if you've ever folded the Origami Yoda that's in the back of the first book, The Strange Case of Origami Yoda. Or if you've ever folded an Nathania W base too, this should be familiar, or may not be familiar to you at all if you've never read Origami Yoda, which hopefully you have. And I feel sorry for you if you haven't, because they're great books. There, good enough. Now you're wondering, you think this is, now this is actually gonna be your head, and these little flaps, these are actually gonna be what goes across your face. All this paper is what's gonna make the hair buns. You're gonna want to know, then flip it over and fold down. Like that. You should see this. Now take these corners and fold them over. Now, whichever one overlaps, take this corner. It helps to go. I think it helps to turn it to the side. Right? And fold it over. And try to get the paper, get your line, your crease to go right through this point. That's gonna make the hairline. Flip it over and fold it, and try to fold it into thirds. Like that. Good enough. Flip it over. And if you look at an old one, you can kind of see what we're gonna do. Now fold these out like this. That's gonna be one of Princess Labelmaker's hair buns. Pull the other one out, do the same. You may want to, after you do them, do each of them, flip it over and see what it looks like. I find that really tends to help. Now, if you have any extra paper sticking out from here, just push that back. I'm gonna make these a little bigger. Yeah, that's probably better. What I just did right there. I like to do is watch, is when it's, see that point right there, to watch it, because that's going to mark where the bottom of her face is. You should see this on the front. Stay on the back. Oops. And fold the point back, and back. You'll see that's made her hair bun, one of her hair buns. Let's make the other one. Back, and back. And there, now you've got her hair bun. Now, this tall head, it bothers me. Now, her head might come out a little bit tall, and what I'm about to do is optional, but I recommend it. It makes her look more attractive. Fold that down like that, so you should see this. Now, it may be hard to do this, but fold these corners back. It's going to be tricky to do this because how many layers of paper you're having to fold. Now you should see this. Now, I like to make her look more attractive by rounding out her chin a little more. There you go. Here's Princess Labelmaker. Now, this is just a secret between you and me. Because of how many layers of paper you did on the top, it doesn't hurt to take a piece of tape and run it across the top here. But that's not the kind of move you want to show an origami master if you ever run into an origami master. And, well, there you go. There's Princess Labelmaker. And like I said, works as a finger puppet. Guys, I hope you enjoyed folding Princess Labelmaker with me, and stay tuned for other videos and things I'll be doing. And I'll be trying to make up more instructions for different puppets, like Yoda. Actually, there is a Yoda I've been meaning to do that I have not yet. But I'll be doing that soon. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. And may the force be with you always.